Welcome to Kendall's world. Today I will take you to one of the largest park in the middle of the city of Bangkok, Thailand. On the way there, we will pass by the Victor Monument. It's like the cars are going around circles. Look! The bus is also cool. It's like they're racing. And here we go. Welcome to the Rot Fai Nature Track Park. Join me with my scooter. Ride on! This day is very special. Check it out soon. Look out there, beautiful view, a very huge flower garden. Let's walk around. Look, there's a swamp. You know what? People come here to run, to jog, to cycle, and go and picnic and spend time together with your family. Do you often love this type of places? One with nature. Let's check out the flower garden. Come on. Look how beautiful that is. Wait. Is that a bee? Wait, there's another bee. Let's not forget, bees are part of nature. Bees get their food from flowers. So maybe next time, just let them be. Busy bee, yay. Look how people spending time to be fit. Thai people like to go to the park and sweat out. Whoa! I fell down. It's okay. We just had to stand up. Get us back again. Right? This is Tita Hermela. She's so dear to me. I will see her again. As for all that, you get hungry, right? No worries, I get you. There's a lot of food shops can stop by and eat. Oh, by the way, there is biking rental around this area. You go check it out. That's it for today's vlog. Join me again next time.
Kendall's